Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair Aloha, Oregon, Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right Now Heating and Cooling is the most suitable choice if you're searching for reliable HVAC contractors in your neighborhood. Our skilled team provides services for both residential and commercial properties. With over 25 years of expertise in the field, we have the experience and knowledge required to resolve even the most stubborn HVAC issues. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are highly skilled in every aspect of the cooling and heating industry. They offer exceptional services with excellent results, great customer service and competitive prices. Our team is proud of being up to date on codes and technology in order to ensure that your home and family are well maintained. We love doing what we do, and it can be seen in the high quality of the work that we perform on every project regardless of its size or complexity. From small repairs to your heating or cooling system to huge-scale central heating and cooling system installations, our HVAC technicians can help. We only use factory-trained technicians. They're the best in the business, which means your work will be done correctly the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to maintain our relationship even after your new equipment is installed or fixed. Our regular service is designed to keep your unit operating efficiently without causing breakdowns. Our offerings include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation and other related services. Our approach is to provide reasonable prices and highly qualified HVAC technicians. We also stand behind the work we do with a 100% workmanship guarantee. For any heating and cooling repairs, or installation services for your home or office, we have HVAC experts are on hand to help you. We can offer a variety of pricing options for every repair/expert guarantee of workmanship. We provide weekend and emergency services in addition to warranties for all labor and parts. Visit our website, or phone us at 503-300-6124.